Okay, karupa dati iti maudi apasan iti programa tayo kat syempre iti tatimano yung adyon sa Rialas.
Ken kana kanyo nga John Mark Pasco.
Para iti programa ming Adda kami Manen. Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio
Santiago City.
Kat apo kablawi man Manen dagiti dumdum nga kita ayan man apong parte iti lubong iti ayan yo. Kamad dita palengke.
Ito taltalon, kataltalunan.
Dito apo kalsadag, manmaneho kayo mano, no pasaheros kayo. Ito balbalayo apo, nga manariman nga kukut, kaputi na lami sa panawan.
Hindi kita magpukpukis.
Kasta matabo ka dagiti aglaklako ka, dagiti gumagatang, ay nagado apo ti malakuan kan magatang itata Christmas.
Ay, wana. Dagiti jelo na medyas, nabenta tagita ta, sweater, buniti, no, da.
Panaglalamiis nga talaga. Kaya't tapno kayo iti mayat apo nga pa nag-shopping kay Gmart 1. Ta siyempre, nawaya dita apo.
Nalakapay.
At dati promo da siyempre. Niya hakot kung kunan da dyan.
Kasano da dyan?
Naibalikas media. Nalipata ko. Basta di second part iti programa. Yan ti pa ng basak ti surat.
Ano dyan?
Basta
aghakot ka bagim nukaan.
Bueno, mapulot ka, aming nga mahakot mo kuha mo na kasi siguro na diyan.
Man?
No mabunot tinagan mo.
Ay, no mabunot lang magayam tinagan mo.
Kano ka mabunot ka nakarapatam nga aghakot itatak.
So pa.
Bagatan to kiting tatakaw ka dito.
Na. Dirsinto ti diretso ma.
Ngarod. Iti okay, kablaw mo ba po? Dagiti members iti FDD fairies can stakeholders. Naimbag nga rabi amin. Nambag nga daw kuno kumo. Ayan.
Siyempre, darabi iti jay.
Rabi iti jay balasiw tao. Tikan ganaat nga pagilian. Balasiw tao. Balasiw tao.
Balasiw.
First space me.
Suppose I called you up tonight and told you that I love you. And suppose I said I wanna come back home. And suppose I cried and said I think I finally learned my lesson. And I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realized you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far away, would you tell me that you love me too? Would we cry together? Would you simply laugh at me and say, I told you so? I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I told you so, but you had to go. Found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again.
Kung nagsaki mo dahil na pasama na hindi nasunatan.
If I got down on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get down on your stool and take my hand? Would we get that old time feeling? Would we laugh and talk for hours, the way we did when our love first began? Would you tell me that you've missed me too, that you've been so lonely, and you waited for the day that I returned? And we'd live in love forever, that I'm your one and only. would you say the tables finally turned? I sold your soul, I sold your soul. I'd sold you something you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I sold your soul, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart into two again. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart into again.
Aro, dagiti pwede tumapong request. Ito tayo first part. Tatami ang kantaan. When I think that the world's not and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Say to you, I've loved somebody new. You are so good to me, always.
And when I see your eyes, I can't go on with love. It breaks your heart, but I just can't hide it. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I can't be so strong. I've been away too long.
Okay, this is a live performance from the Four Dagito Kaaruba. Don't look that way to me. It hurts you so, I see, but I just can't go with love.
I gave you all I have, so there is nothing left. I may be wrong, but I better go now. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I can't be so strong. I've been away too long. La 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 la.
been away too long.
Okay, may isa ka dagiti request. Amo, may isa ka nung Christmas song. Dahil nga Rod.